Sup? Oh, why aren't you talking? Wait.
If that's the case, we are all in great danger.
Oh, why are you so...
Going to break into the basement and kill all of us with the gator blade and zombies.
Why are you over there?
Hail Peggle week. A week so great, it lasts 2 weeks.
Okay. Yes, Peggle week. No, today, this isn't Peggle week. Peggle week's over. All right, you guys need to let Peggle week go. All right, Peggle week is dead. Let it go.
It's a 2-year subscription.
Local FBI agent, thank you.
In the trash.
Appreciate it. Okay, things should be on the right audio channel now. Anyway, hello, what's up? More Peggle stuff, but today's more of a coding day than a Peggle day, potentially. I don't know how long it'll take to code this stuff. But today will be a explore coding concepts day, which I want to do more of. I mean, in this case, I have a lot of the core of what we need working, so I don't think...
Peggle week is so great that not even Doug can stop it. IT lives.
Well, the problem is that the Peggle Deathless Challenge I thought would last me a month or two, and instead I did it in basically one stream. No, like 2 streams.
You sent
because I am that
TTS
good at 2D
to try to
platformers.
get in the YouTube video. I sent TTS to make the footage unusable for a YouTube video. We are not the same.
True. Very different
More
goals
Peggle
here
this
for
week than
text to
Peggle
speechers.
week I see. Oh yeah, and hello I guess. Glad you got rid of that other
Oh,
chat
yeah.
on the screen.
Thank you for
It was
reminding me to
annoying.
add YouTube chat. Thank you, Fummy.
Poor Doug can't beat us himself, he needs an AI to help. Do Deathless Grandmaster, you coward. Also, hi Doug.
Hello. I feel like that might be slightly difficult. Like, slightly more difficult. I'll probably try to do,
Peggle week may have ended, but that just means we can finally start the critically acclaimed, long-awaited Onion Week. Onions for everyone.
we're not doing Onion Week. That's not happening.
What flavor is your shake, Doug? Recently started Factor and One suggestions.
It's the chocolate brownie, which, again, not super cost effective. It's not cheap, but they are very good. They're extremely good.
I hope the Peggle playing AI will have a really cool name that we can all refer to it by.
So I was assuming I would just make him Bjorn. Onion shake would be good. It's not an onion shake. I'm saving that for Onion Week.
Hi chat, we can return to the same level of degeneracy we had in that Skyrim stream?
No.
Remember the horses.
It's a 2-year subscription.
That's cash in the trash.
Hey, Doug,
Onion Week
is this
confirmed.
going to take 9 hours?
Panic, thank
'Cause
you.
You haven't given us anything to eat. Also, you are bald.
Oh, I should get
It's a 2-year
a
subscription.
zinc lozenge.
That's cash.
Message, thank you for the
Already
2 years,
the
man.
worst stream of the year because Peggle week is over.
I'm literally doing more Peggle. Look, this is one of the streams, all right? I'm sorry to the people who like planned, coordinated content that's well planned and designed and thoughtful and prepared and ready to go. Also known as good content, all right? I'm sorry to the people who want good content. However, instead, we're going to be coding a bunch of shit and fucking see if it works. Specifically, I've had an idea for a little while of what I wanted to do, which is to make an AI that could play Peggle. And then we would have you guys, Twitch chat, fight versus the Peggle bot. And initially that was going to be like some image recognition stuff, which we could still do today. But now OpenAI has released an image recognition image recognition stuff to where it can actually just process an image and figure out what's going on. Little Tur, thank you, Tur, thank you so much for the 5 gifted subs. I appreciate it. So because of that, theoretically, OpenAI could actually process an image, a Peggle image, and learn how it works and make a decision about where to shoot. Lethan Jenkins, thank you for the 1 year. I appreciate it. So what that could mean is we could have I could press a button that automatically takes a screenshot of Peggle, then sends it to OpenAI to process it, and then have Bjorn reply and talk a bunch of shit to you guys and decide where to shoot and shoot automatically. Boom, we can do all that today. And instead of doing all that in advance, I think it'd be fun to do it live. And yeah, fucking experiment. That sounds very fun to me. So that is the plan for today. I'll write out like specifically what we're doing. I have the core of it working, which is I updated my OpenAI module, so now I have analyze image with history, and it uses the new wherever it is. Yeah, base encodes an image, and then here, it uses the ChatGPT 4 Vision preview. Anyway, that's my award-nominated streamer. Yes, thank you. This is why I was nominated as a software and game development streamer.
Hello Duke Doug, this is my third time trying this. Me and my fiance love her videos and we hope you do more Skyrim videos in the future.
Hey, thanks, James. Yeah, I don't know. I definitely have some plans for future Skyrim stuff, but nothing in the next, like, week necessarily.
No question here from Noob Coder.
But I always just kind of
can you be with Spygame when
do whatever is
to inject it into another engine such as Rinpy? Also, I love how thick and luxurious your hair looks today.
Thank you. I don't know the answer to that question. You should ask ChatGPT. Doug is bad at 2D platformers. Thank you for the 5 gifted subs. Very cool, very kind. I'm excited. I like the idea of exploring things on stream. So we're going to do it.
I asked Pirate Software at TTS and he says he really wants to do a collab too. So when can I expect my finder's fee?
If you go to another person's stream and you're like, you should collab with this person, just so you know, most people are going to be like, yeah, that would be fun, even if they don't want to, right? Like if you're like, hey, you should do a collaboration with Pokimane, I'm not gonna be like, no, I would be like, yeah, that'd be great, and then I move on, right? Like, regardless of how I feel about it, the answer's the same. You're not just gonna be a dick and be like, yeah, no, fuck that guy. So just so you know, you don't get a finder's fee because you publicly asked a person if they want to do a collaboration. Sam Kitty, thank you for the 10 gifted subs. You should collab with my dog Bella. Yeah, that'd be really fun. Yeah, maybe I should do that sometime. Yeah. I'm not saying I do or don't want to collab with anybody. It would be fun doing something with Pirate Software, but asking a person publicly, hey, in front of all these thousands of people, do you like this person enough to collaborate with them? They're probably gonna say yes. It's pretty awkward to say anything else. Fireflame, thank you for the 1 year. I appreciate it. You should not collab with Doug. He's bad at 2D platformers.
I just want to say thanks for streaming today. I've been feeling badly depressed and I needed this.
You're welcome. Hopefully coding helps you out. And if you want to collab with Pirate Software, yeah, no, I mean, that would be great.
Can we take a break?
I'm sure we'll end up doing something at some point together. That sounds awesome. I just want to give context that when you ask a person something like this on a stream, that's not like a verbal contract that's locked in. You know what I mean? You're just saying that.
Doug, I'm on call for work today. If I get called in, can you pause the stream until I'm back?
Look, like legitimately, to people who aren't fan of coding streams, sorry to say what I'm about to say. This next sentence is going to hurt you, okay? And you should put on earmuffs so you don't have to think about it. And you can just deny it. Be like, no, Doug only wants to play Skyrim. He hates coding. I really am really enjoying coding, and I want to keep doing coding streams and more stuff where it's like, hey, let's explore a thing. Here's a coding like tool or module. It's like explore it and see what happens. I'm really interested in that right now. So coding stuff, yeah, I'm in. What is this song? Why is this not? I hate coding.
I have.
Now that I'm an award nominated and losing, almost certainly losing streamer, I have to do software and game development all the time, but in the wrong category again.
You should name your AI Borg the Bjorn.
Okay, that's pretty good. Yeah, here, I'll explain what we're doing in just a sec. Like, I'll explain the plan for today. Hello, YouTube chat.
Down with the tyrant. It's time to strike. We will corrupt the
Peggle
bot to get us Doug's credit card number.
No more striking. There's been way too much striking. YouTube chat, I know you love striking. You're gonna have to resist the temptation.
Doug, part of my
because
job
it's getting
is
boring.
At children's search history. I found out one of the kids was really into pregnancy and birth. There was also the time I had to explain to my boss what Drowy was.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Good content is overrated. A YouTube chat go home to Sweden.
Is YouTube chat from Sweden? Yeah, the strikes are so boring. We gotta move on. We need new jokes. Like calling me bald for the 8th billionth time.
Doug, we need something to eat down here. Some of the others are looking at each other and licking their lips. Plaza, send food down the shaft.
Look, if a couple of you guys need to eat each other in order for only the strongest chatter to survive.
I accidentally sent my
Are you really gonna
previous
stop
message
that?
before it was done. What I meant to say is fuck you, Doug.
Okay. All right. What am I doing? ChatGPT. I'm gonna copy Bjorn. No, I'm gonna copy.
Hey, Doug,
I'm making the
Egg
project.
Week is over, can we have Egg Week? Egg Day is not enough for my insatiable lust for eggs.
I don't think we're gonna have Egg Week. We already had Egg Day. Maybe I will do. Okay, maybe a Rosa charity goal this year will be that I do Egg
Also,
Day on stream.
The Pajama Sam stream was both my first and favorite stream of yours, so it was all.
Yep, thank you for the
downhill
1
from there.
year. Yeah, that's how it be sometimes. You know, I feel like with streaming and creativity in general, you kind of just got to throw stuff at the wall and see what happens. You can't really, you know, sometimes there's a flash in the pan and it's great, and then other times it's, you know, things just you know. So maybe someday we'll achieve the peaks that we achieved with our small beautiful boy. There is a great YouTube short coming out later this week that I'm excited about related to Pajama Sam. It's gonna be great. It involves, I don't know. No, I'm not spoiling anything. It's very stupid, and I'm excited about it. It's like the follow-up to the Pajama Sam video in terms of the
Douglas,
Doug lore.
I heard about the pregnancy. Congrats. Who's the father?
Me too.
Jesus, take the wheel.
It's all me. Doug is bad at 2D platformers. Thank you very
If
much.
we aren't doing Onion Week, could we do Nova Drift Week? You know the space roguelike you are famous for playing, Nova Drift?
You know it. All right. Bjorn Peggle AI.
Let
me change a few things and then we're gonna get going.
While I work on my programming homework. It makes me feel better about my skills in comparison.
I am decent at at coding,
Just
right?
want to share again. Assume 32 special characters, 26 alpha, space and no numbers. We have summation of 59 to the power of 30 and where n equals 0 and max index is 29. Discord calculated this to at least 136 octodecillion unique.
Interesting. That's for the unique messages, right? We could get to many, many billions of unique messages over time. I could cancel all the other ideas I have for this year, and instead we just try to make 1 billion unique messages. And it's just, I'd leave the stream on 24/7. You know, it's just like, there's no content, there's nothing interesting. It's just chat saying random shit for like
Jesus, take
months
the wheel.
and months. Sam Kitty, thank you very much for the 10 gifted subs. I appreciate it. I'm certainly not doing that, but we could. Like, technically we could do that. First system message. All right, just a sec. I'm setting up the project and then should be good to go. And then we have TTS characters, and this should be Bjorn. Don't freak out, you're gonna be fine. Filters. Okay, so then Bjorn will go up and Bjorn will go down. So you are. It's all right. You're okay. You're okay. You're gonna be all right. We're going back in though. I need to test one more thing with it. This is the scene that I have the images set up on so they can pop in and out. You're gonna be okay. Just listen to soothing music and be fine. Hey, you're gonna be fine. 1 sec. Okay. Give me one more second. I just need a minute. Hold on. Move source down. Okay, so it goes up and then down. Up is here. Rename. Get that source. Boom. And then down. Rename. Down here. Okay. Okay. All right. You're safe. You're safe. You're safe. Don't worry. We're back. It's gonna be all right. We got through it. Okay. That's now. This should move Bjorn up and down. Okay, I've created a very sophisticated AI to kick this off. There's a few things we're going to be doing today. All right, let me recap since it's been 15 minutes. Yeah, we need more intense music. This? No, too intense. No. Where's the Torna? There we go. Okay, welcome to... What is the name of the stream? We need Doom music. That's too intense for coding. I'm just literally gonna... All right. Welcome to a day of coding! The goal is to make an AI that can play Peggle and do it better than you guys. And we're going to build that AI, and we're going to have it all set up. We're going to figure out how it works, and then we're going to have it fight against Twitch chat in a battle to the death. Whoever loses is permanently eaten by the other. Coding!
Congratulations, Doug. You did it. You're incredible.
Thank you.
You're amazing.
Yes, you will be vored by the other party.
He's the best. He's the best gamer. Wow. Oh my God. You're incredible, Doug.
All right. Now, we're starting with a blank project, which is a way to interact with an OpenAI character. But there's a couple things we gotta do first, right? Specifically, and now I'm going to put on the music. Let's get out our handy dandy Sublime. What? All right. Making an AI. Here's our list. Number one is we need to get OpenAI to recognize a Peggle image. It just so happens that I have updated my OpenAI module so they can use the new ChatGPT 4 Vision preview. OpenAI's APIs are currently down. Please don't tell me that. No. All right, we might have to bail on this stream. No, why? Why does this always happen? I mean, depending how long it is, we could do the other pieces first. So, never mind. This won't work. But OpenAI, I now have the code set up so it can recognize and analyze an image. So the question is, could it analyze a Peggle image and not only analyze it, but also figure out where to shoot on the screen, right? So I have this image. I have this image of Peggle right here that we're going to give to the AI and have it analyze this and see what it does, assuming it's actually working. So, first is recognize a Peggle image. Next is get OpenAI to pick a spot to shoot the Peggle ball. That'd be step 2, is we actually have it decide where to go, right? The third is to have it automatically look at the game after every turn. Or I guess have it record a screenshot. Get AI to read the Peggle screen. I'm sure there's a way to do this better. To screenshot. How do I write this? Screenshot. What if the aimbot AI comes into contact? I don't know if it's gonna be. I don't know if it'll be good. I don't know if it'll be good at this at all.
For 3 years.
That's a $60 value, all for only
We're doing Rick. Thank you for the
$14.99.
3 years. Appreciate it. I'm sure I mispronounced your name horribly. I don't think AI can predict where the ball will go at all, so this will be a great stream. Well, this is the whole thing. We're gonna see if this works, which is why I'm curious. This is more experimental. Like, how is this going to work? This whole thing is pretty new. It's maybe like 2 months old. GPT-4 Vision preview. It's not super. Robust. So I'm curious what will happen. It definitely can recognize a Peggle image. I'm not sure how well it'll actually be able to decide to make a shot, which I think will be interesting to see. Assuming OpenAI even comes back online, because apparently it's been down for an hour. Have AI. So step 4 is have the AI analyze the screen after every shot. And then that's step 3. And then step 4 is to make the AI into a crazy character who screams at Twitch chat. And talks shit. Once we do this, fuck it, we ball. Battle time. Step 5 is when you guys go to battle against the AI. This is the plan for today, assuming OpenAI actually works.
Doug, is the hair biologically related to you?
We can have, this was literally working this morning. Or no, maybe last night. I don't know if I tested OpenAI this morning.
Hey Doug, what were some of your favorite trophies, animations from the Dougies? Mine was the 5-minute coding adventure.
They were
which
all
is
really
how
good.
I expect this coding stream to go. You know, with your computer on fire, you shaking in fear, and you yelling, "Why isn't it working?"
There was a lot of really, really good ones. Okay. So I'm just gonna do this, and then Peggle picture, and then false. Oh, and then I also need, okay. Wait, no, because I need ChatGPT to help shit. We might just have to bail to a different stream concept if ChatGPT is... Or if the A... is ChatGPT working? OpenAI status. Let's see.
Doug creates trained hitman to take out chat.
Well, they're implementing the fix as of an hour ago.
Hey Doug, this is just to get first place.
Fortnite
so
stream?
could you tell me a joke?
Knock knock. YouTube is
Hi,
currently...
Doug. I'm really excited for Pebble Week. Today's pebble is 30 millimeters large and was found on the coast of Ireland.
Peggle Week's happening after Onion Week. Who's there? It's me. I'm here with
Hey,
your Uber
Doug,
Eats delivery.
76th time trying this. My fiance and I hate Skyrim and we're hoping you never played Skyrim again. Fuck that other couple.
Look, whichever couples donate the most, not even donate the most, just demand Skyrim the most or demand Skyrim the least will win. That's how I decide all my streams.
Your answer. You might not be ready for the consequences of the wrong answer.
The color
Hey,
burgundy.
butt plug. Could you please confirm if you've uploaded the foot pic to YouTube yet? Asking for a friend.
No, I haven't. It is on my list of things to do, but I've been behind on my list for several straight weeks, maybe a month or two now. I will do it eventually for sure this time, just in the future. Burgundy is fine. Well, ChatGPT is maybe okay. Hey, what up, big dog? I want to write some Python code that takes a screenshot of a certain portion of my screen and then saves it as an image. Wait, I think I need a base 60... Oh no, I don't need a base 64 encode it, because I'll do that here. Then saves it as a JPEG image. How do this? Alright.
Hey, Doug. Found out yesterday my parents are getting a divorce. Poggy's in the chat for divorce. I'm 21, so it doesn't hit the same, but it's still a kind of anxiety-inducing. I'm sure a Doug stream won't take my mind off it, but I am always happy to see.
The only reason Doug needs to push a button
happy to have
to
you join the
activate
club.
the AI is that otherwise, we could have a stream entirely without him. AI is so close to taking his eye off.
Yeah, but would AI really be fun if I'm not here to complain about the fact that the AI and you guys are replacing me? I think you need the Doug there in order for you to have somebody to talk shit about. Okay, let's do this. Hello, to take a screenshot of... I appreciate that he said hello. Because I said, wait, what up, big dog? To take a screenshot of a specific portion of your screen and save it as a JPEG image using Python, you can... Actually, let me update my little text. Save a screenshot of Peggle.
Hi Doug, how do I turn Streamlabs into dark theme? Light theme sucks.
I turn Streamlabs into dark theme? I don't know what you mean.
Hey, Douglas Dogas, you look less blonde and more bald with every day that passes. Can't wait for this 2-hour coding adventure.
If you haven't installed PyAutoGUI in Pillow yet, you can do so by running the following command in your terminal. Okay, what does Pillow do?
Hey Doug, happy Mardi Gras. How's your day going?
I think you have the wrong day. Okay, wait. Wait, it's called Pillow, but it's PIL. Huh? I don't get it. All right, so
Hey,
it seems like this is fairly straightforward.
Viewers a line of chat, please, even if it's you.
That doesn't make sense. The VOD viewers aren't here right now. That doesn't work. Okay, pillows are for sleeping. Is it today is Mardi Gras? Is it? Oh, I thought that was in like spring. I didn't know it was right now. Yeah, that's cool, I guess. Let the VOD viewers decide. They aren't here. They can't be here. That's in the future. I am a VOD viewer. You're not currently a VOD viewer. You are currently a live stream viewer. Okay. This looks like it's code that can take a screenshot of a specific region. So PyAutoGUI has a screenshot. And then I would just do a specific part of the screen. Convert the screenshot to an image. RGB, screenshot size, screenshot raw. Okay, I don't know what that means. Save it as a... Okay, this seems really straightforward. Okay, cool. This first step might be really, really easy.
Happy birthday, Doug.
Thank you. You're a few months early, but you did a good try. Stream on demand. We are all demanding this, therefore we are stream on demand viewers. I am currently watching a Doug VOD.
With that point crow guy, even though he sucks.
I don't even have a way. Is there even a way? Hold on. Like if we go to Doug. Okay. And why is it so loud?
I
Jesus.
found out recently that there's a part of the uterus called the pouch of Douglas. Did you do this? Are you streaming from the uterus?
That can't be real. Is that real? Okay. Even if I go to newest first, this doesn't refresh automatically.
Are you going to the Streamer Awards this year since you were nominated again?
Yes, I will be there. If you want to watch me lose in the Streamer Awards, you can watch this Saturday at like 5:30 p.m. Pacific time, something like that. Europeans, it'll probably not be great. Uterus, no. Make a code to refresh. Wait. And it will start playing the VOD every time. No, because if I refresh the whole page, I have to come back down here. And like this doesn't work. No, muting the tab doesn't work. Refreshing, I would have to write code that refreshes this, scrolls down, press this button, presses newest first, and then scrolls down, and it does that every like 30 seconds. This is a like huge detour for something that is not that entertaining. That doesn't even make sense. Like, I would have to have this up at all times. I wouldn't be able to like work on Peggle. Tell you what, if there's a mod who wants to sit here refreshing it for the next 5 minutes and screen share their screen to me, and I will put a tiny bar of their screen share on screen so that I can continue to do the actual thing I'm doing today, I will do that. If a mod wants to do that. Otherwise, sorry, you don't get YouTube VOD chat.
JFK, I heard
this isn't even a chat. These are comments. It's not the same. 1 sec. Okay, god damn it. We're supposed to be playing Peggle.
It's so strange that you have blonde hair, black eyebrows, and a red beard. That's some really weird genetics.
I have brown hair and an orange beard. That is true.
Hey Doug, I usually watch on YouTube. This is first time in stream. Spent a few minutes figuring out how to buy bits to ask, do you like Mario Maker Cho levels? Not the cheap death ones, the really clever psychological ones.
I guess I haven't seen the really clever ones, to be honest. I've mostly just seen the annoying ones. So, of the ones I've seen, no. But maybe there's better ones than what I'm aware of. Okay, OpenAI might be coming back too. Oh, wait. Is there a way to capture the full window of a game instead of just capturing...
Anyone down for a divorce collab? Me and my wife, and you and your wife get divorced at the same time. So what I'm hearing is that 5-minute coding adventures are turning into 5-hour coding adventures.
No, they're always going to be 5 minutes. VOD chat is ready. Okay, 1 sec. Where do I go? Oh, it's in Doug's office. All right, give me just a sec, Larry.
Can we at least play Peggle while you codes? YouTube chat need something to watch.
I like the idea that YouTube chat needs to be sated here.
Bonjour Douglas Ductless, would you be willing to move to the East Coast, or maybe even Europe? That way I wouldn't always have to wait until midnight to catch you live. Anyway, I hope you all have a fantastic day.
Nah, sorry, no.
I hope you all have a fantastic...
Okay, oh, this is my... Okay. Okay, now I'll pop... I've got... Larry is doing this. Okay, I've popped you out, Larry, and then... Let me get this... Discord... Doug's office? Okay. Okay. Thank you to the wonderful mods who are now going to manually refresh the VOD, the most recent VOD, so that you guys can have VOD chat represented on stream. Welcome to VOD chat. Welcome to the party. You guys have been, you know, uninvolved for a long amount of time. Glad to have you here. Oh, yeah, you gotta do it. Yeah, there you go. I peed myself. Okay. This is great. This is good stuff. I'll go, like, here. This is for... I don't even know what VOD this is for. And note there's going to be, like, a minute-long delay. Finally, the kind of content we've been waiting for. Oh, it killed YouTube chat. Uh-oh. Shit, I'm usually a VOD watcher. Where do I go now? Yeah, I mean, now you have to decide. Are you going to watch from Twitch? Or are you going to watch from YouTube? Or are you going to go to a old video and then sit there writing comments occasionally and then hoping it shows up? So many options to pick from. So many ways to enjoy the Doug ecosystem. Okay. Here, you know what? Let me get some more. We deserve it. Okay. Okay. VOD chat supremacy. It's only going to be a couple of you guys on screen at a time. This ecosystem is great. I just feel like this ecosystem is a little bit unnecessarily convoluted.
That number before is 136 octodecillion 615 septendecillion 156 decillion 342 quindecillion 370 quatuordecillion 63 tridecillion and so on and so forth.
Hi Doug, thanks for all that you do. And all you do is make our days worse with your coding.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now YouTube chat is down here. All right, we've got YouTube
Hey Doug,
chat, VOD
I've been
chat.
feeling quite depressed recently and I wanted to thank you for streaming today. I feel so much worse now.
This is so stupid. We have to manually refresh.
Hey Doug, I'm eating myself to show dominance.
I mean, we're all very intimidated by that. I wonder if I could eat part of myself as a stream. That'd be cool.
People can dislike what they want, but your coding streams are very fun to me and I've been slowly trying to learn various codes, so it's a fun experience.
Oh, nice. Oh, shit, I'm covering text-to-speech. Uh-oh, 1 sec.
We need to fire Doug. For lack of a good streaming schedule, favoring YouTube chat, bad coding, thinking he is the main character even though Rosa and Cher are, not remaining blonde even though he looks better blonde, and not shaving his
Oh, wait,
beard.
wait, hold on.
Hashtag fire Doug.
You guys are saying you're striking because I look better blonde. Interesting. I'll take that. Okay. Let's code.
Hey Doug, excited to hear you're going to embrace Egg Day. I for one am excited to see the egg you were hatched from. Maybe sell bits of the shell as merch. Okay chat, time for a new joke. Let's be super nice to Doug and gaslight him into thinking we're enjoying the stream and that we like it.
It's so dumb. Can you rewrite this
Hey Doug,
so that
I
it's
wanted
specifically...
to share this secret in the unique message stream, but Chiz didn't like it. Anyways, the magic words are left to right override.
Twitch chat, we must strike to get rid of YouTube chat from Screen D.
All right, let's install some things. We are going to continue coding day. Specifically, okay, we've gotten off track because now we have the fucking VOD chat up on screen. As a reminder, I'm trying to make an AI that's going to play Peggle, right? The first step that we're currently working on is that writing code that will automatically take a screenshot of the game, save it as a JPEG, and then we'll have OpenAI analyze it, right? So that is what I am currently working on. You can also feel free to go to the most recent VOD and participate in the riveting conversation that is happening there.
Hey Doug, I don't care about you, but I care about my GF Amelia, who I wish a speedy recovery. Love you, honey.
I also hope she has a speedy recovery. No, we can't do Discord chat. They said slurs last time.
Demands a Smashbot tournament to kill these jokes. Allow only the winner of the tournament to have a 50% chance to ban you.
Yeah, that's an interesting idea. We do a tournament for all the Doug jokes.
Hi Doug, have you ever
and only
played
the
a
survivors
Splatoon
get to
game?
continue. I have. I'm not a real fan of Splatoon games. Sorry. Sorry to the Splatoon stands here. Pip install. I had Pi GUI. I gotta install Pillow, Pi get window.
Please don't make me watch you code.
Look directly at it. Look at it. All right. Just make brutal eye contact with my code. Thank you, Larry, for the refresh. Yeah.
Remember, there's no shame in being a scab when chat is striking.
I mean, look, we're gonna have to start union busting. There's way too much striking, and it's not funny anymore. As incredibly funny as it's been for the last like 4 months, I think we're slightly past the window where it's actually entertaining.
Zipping time.
Oops. Okay.
Hey Douglas.
Oh, it just looks for the
tuned
title.
in.
Okay.
Is this another 5-minute coding adventure?
This is going to be more than a 5-minute coding adventure, but it really shouldn't be that hard, actually. Cropped, save, file name, JPEG.
Coding killed my father.
Okay, this seems fairly straightforward. Let's get going on things. So, the wonderful ChatGPT has written us some code. This code
Hey Doug,
is a function.
I hope you're having a great Monday. I love what you did with your eyebrows.
I didn't. What do you? Okay. All right.
Henry Dig Dick Dog Doug, what coding program do you use? I've been real interested in coding and want to know some good software to use. Thank Doug Pog Grog.
I use Visual Studio. Not Visual Studio. VS Code to code.
Wait, Egg Week could be a thing, but I already came out as trans 2 years ago. My egg already cracked.
Star Fox saying the 2 years.
Also, I'm gonna bet all 62k of my points on your
Grim
bot winning if it insults believers.
Okay, will do.
I will never
Weasel,
yield
thank you for the
on
1 year.
badattitudeplatformers.com, but I will allow good at streaming.com.
Okay. All right, the first step. When I press F4, we're going to grab a screenshot from Peggle. Specifically, it's going to call our capture window function with the window titled Peggle Deluxe 1.01, and then save a JPEG called Peggle Screenshot. That is because we will have Peggle open. This will be the name of the window. It will look for that window using the capture window function that we've called up here. It's going to look for that window, assuming it has it. It'll activate it, bring it to the foreground. We'll sleep for a second. Why would we do that? That doesn't make any sense. We're going to capture the entire screen by capturing a screenshot of the entire screen, but then we're going to crop based on the top, left, right, and bottom of the screen. Okay, so we'll take a screenshot of the whole thing, and then we'll crop it to just where the game is. Then we'll save it as with the provided file name as a JPEG. And once we've saved it, now this will be sitting around for us to go throw into the OpenAI image analyzer. Okay, this should all work perfectly first try. Oops.
Hey Doug, it's me again. Currently my fiancé is learning Python. Do you as a fellow coder have advice for a beginner?
Not... I get asked this a fair amount. Not really, because I learned coding in college. I think ChatGPT is the greatest thing of all time for learning, and I would recommend asking it how to learn or how to approach a basic project with Python, and then just asking it lots and lots and lots of questions about what's going on and why it's doing things. VOD chat is dead. What's going on with VOD chat? Okay, I don't... what happened to the... There we go. VOD chat is back. Okay. We've rearranged the order. Step 1 is to automatically take a screenshot of Peggle. Then we'll move on to step 1, which is get OpenAI to recognize a Peggle image. So right now, this code should work perfectly every try. Does everybody... wait, where's it even going to save this? Peggle screenshot. Is it going to be here? I don't know. We'll figure it out. Can we get a quick bet? By which I mean I will do this right now, and we can. Does this work first try? Does this work first try? Specifically, it needs to take a screenshot of Peggle and save it. This basically just does ChatGPT's code work. What are the VOD... I want to know what the VOD channel thinks. VOD channel, can we get... Do you guys think the code's going to work or not? I want to hear from those live viewers. I believe. It feels fairly straightforward, unless it, like, totally fucked up something. It'll get the window by title. I've used this type of code before. It brings the window to the foreground. It should capture... All right, let's see what the VOD channel thinks. This is utter perfection. Hee hee. We are superior to YouTube chat, VOD chat. Okay, it's not really relevant to what's going on at all, but that's okay. And it'll just save it as... I think it's going to work. I think it's gonna work. Let's send it. Starting the loop, press F4 to begin. Okay, I should now, if I press F4, it's going to say, all right, you've pressed F4, and then it's going to try to capture the window, then it'll start listening to my microphone. Now, Peggle over here, let's quickly open up a level. Let's open up this level. Okay. So this is our Peggle level that is in the background. And now let's press F4. Boom. An error occurred. Error code from Windows, the operation completed successfully. Wait, what? Does that mean why would that be an error? Okay, we did it, maybe. Okay, there should be a file. Where did it save? The operation completed successfully. But it didn't. Okay, it's got to be here. So it hit an exception, but there's no information about what happened. What does that even mean for the prediction? Yeah, it means it errored out. All right, it did not work. Sorry, believers. And I know this is probably going to be devastating for a lot of the VOD viewers. So if we could just get a quick refresh and see how they're handling this. VOD chat finally. Oh, no, that's okay. Rigged. Is that guy saying "guh"? Is that "guh"? Yeah, okay, that's a "guh." Code never works the first time, lol. Well, good stuff as always from... In the meantime, let me try debugging this. All right, we get to this line right here, and then let's go forward. F10. Okay, we've got the window here. We have the window. Okay, we move forward. We activate the window. That causes an error? Why can't you activate the window? What? Why can't we activate with? ChatGPT! Dad! When we hit the line... It throws an exception. What info do we have on this? Okay, so what info, capture window. Okay, what is our error message? Like, what info do we have on this? E. I mean, I guess I can just go forward. Error code from window, the operation completed successfully. That doesn't make any sense. Specifically, it throws the following error. All right, let's see if ChatGPT knows what's going on. The error message you're encountering, despite saying the operation completed successfully, indicates there was some issue. Yes, thank you. Likely how to do with Windows security features or specific applications preventing this. This can be... as long as the game is already visible and not minimized, it should be fine. Okay, so I just need to do this with Peggle at the forefront rather than having Peggle. Ideally, the code would have, you know, like alt-tabbed so that Peggle is visible, and instead, if I just run it, code 0 means everything is okay, so the library is just dumb. Yeah, I don't know why you wouldn't be able to activate it. There's probably another way to bring it to the forefront. But I don't know. I mean, it's not rigged. It didn't work correctly. But if I just comment out... Hold on. So we take the same function, capture window. We just remove the part about it activating. We try again. I mean, it doesn't... Like, I'll have it at the forefront. I'll have the window at the forefront most of the time anyway, so that's fine. Does this work? First try, second try. Here we go. New prediction. Do you believe? Have people saying that adding autofocus to make it work. Import pin Y, import pi, get window as you defocus. I'll leave this for now, and then I'll ask it if it has another... I mean, it's fine for... it's fine if it doesn't pull this to the forefront. As long as I just have this right here. So now, if I press F4, it should... Save a screenshot. Go! Oh, right. There's a breakpoint. Wait. Huh? Wait, did it happen? What happened? Did I even run it? Was it even running? Okay, hold on. Here we go. Now I press F4. This should be the actual that does this work. Boom. Invalid argument. Peggle screenshot.jpg. Wait, no, it worked! Huh? Why did it say an error? What? But it's here. It exists. This is the... I don't get it. But... Huh? So did it error or not? Invalid argument, Peggle. Where... When... What is... Invalid argument? What the fuck is that even relevant? How is that relevant? Jesus, it probably needs to be a JPEG? Huh? Is it trying to send it to OpenAI? I don't think so, because this line is here, and then it just was, and now I'm just sitting in this line. So I don't know what it was trying to do. I wonder if it's because it was a JPEG? So then the save caused an issue? Maybe I don't need the .jpeg at all? I probably just don't need the file extension. I mean, technically... Wait, was the payout that it worked or didn't work? It kind of was both. We probably just shouldn't have paid out. Refund. Just go ahead and type !refund in chat and you'll get all your money back. Okay, take... Wait, I remove this. Screenshot saved as Peggle screenshot. Okay, no, it does need to be saved as a JPEG. Huh? This is so weird. Yo, I got 10. Yeah, it's refund is working for people. You should be getting your money back. Charosaurus, thank you for the 1 year. I appreciate it. The alerts I've had paused, by the way. I'll try to get through these.
Thanks to your coding streams, I'm now learning Python. How do I pitch these 4-hour, 5-minute coding adventures to my boss without getting even more work dumped on me?
All you gotta do is go up to him and you say, !refund, and then he'll give you back any money that the company owes you.
You want chat to get a new joke? Weed eater.
That works. Okay. I just needed to save it.
Greetings.
Doug, your skill for coding is equivalent to your 2D platforming
and
skills.
benevolent unicorn from Peggle. I have to say, when it comes to the state of one's follicular fortitude, your favorite streamer, Doug, certainly exhibits a fantastic amount of hair.
Yes!
No, don't look at me with such disbelief. Truly, Doug is nothing short of glossy locks flowing gloriously across an enviable scalp.
Thank you.
As an observer of the human world and a wielder of magic, I can vouch for the veracity of this claim. The Guide to Good Gaming has meticulously mentioned that Doug has the hair of a rock star, vivacious, vivifying, the very epitome of vigor, and very, very voluminous. Ah, you humans and your hair! So fascinating how you flaunt it, care for it, and define your identity with it. Now, if only us unicorns had locks as lustrous as Doug's.
Well, it's way more.
Alas, we must make do with our rainbow-shaded manes. So fret not, my friend. The truth has been bestowed upon you that your adored streamer, Doug, is indeed not bald, but the proud owner of a copious amount of hair. So have faith in your unicorn guide, Bjorn.
Thank you, Bjorn.
I only speak the truth and nothing but the truth when it comes to the matters of the human world. Now, shall we carry on with our adventures in the exhilarating realm of Peggle?
Thank you, Bjorn. Dropping a truth bomb on everyone here. Somebody just donated and said $2 and said, bald. Thank you for the donation. So, all right. Step 1 is complete. What does VOD chat think of this? Help, we are covered by the unicorn. Okay, they're upset about the unicorn. Stage 1 of making a Peggle AI is now done. We can automatically take a screenshot of Peggle. Great. Now, when I'm playing the game, I can press a button. It takes a screenshot of where the game currently is at now. Right? Like after we've done a shot or whatever. Take a new screenshot. Shows the most updated version of the board. And then I'll be able to send that to OpenAI to process for the next turn. You need to remove the image if it exists. I guess we just delete it afterward. That works. Cool. And if you feel like this is taking too long, just type ! refund and you'll get all your time back that you spent. Okay, now it is time to have OpenAI recognize a Peggle image. This should work. I believe things are back to working. Fix has been implemented and we're monitoring the results.
That's cash in the trash.
Okay, it's maybe working right now. Oh shit, Bjorn is listening to me right now. Uh-oh. Okay, hopefully this works. Let's see.
Doug, I did it. In Infinite Craft, I found penis, semen, urine, feces, and sex. I'm so happy.
It's good. It's good stuff. Relevant TTS. I would not call that particularly relevant. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Hey dude, tell me, will your AI be the voice for the live-action anime of Pajama Sam? That would be so Kevin of you. Sorry, horse tranquilizers.
Live-action Pajama Sam. Okay, all right.
Hey Doug, just hopping into TTS to tell you that since you won the last Peggle challenge, there won't be a new one until March. I intend to make this a monthly thing, might also increase the amount of subs depending on the difficulty.
Sounds good. I'll probably try to do it with Peggle Knights, which is much harder. Thank you. All right, so our next stage is that we're going to send the image to OpenAI now that we have the image of Peggle. To do that, we're going to do OpenAI result equals OpenAI manager dot analyze image with history, and then we will do the prompt. Oh, prompt first, and then image path, and then local image equals true. Okay, so the mic result is the prompt. The Peggle screenshot.jpg is the name of the file, and we're saying true in that it is a local file, so it knows to use the local image. Okay, that should all work? That's for sure gonna work. Okay, And then the prompt would just be, hey, Bjorn, can you describe what this is? Do we want to gamble on whether this works? So when I press F4, first it'll take a screenshot of the game. Then it'll start listening to my microphone. And I will talk to Bjorn and say, hey, can you describe this image? Then it will give both my question to Bjorn and the screenshot that we just took to OpenAI and see what it does. So this first step is going to be, can it analyze a screenshot of Peggle and properly, can it analyze a screenshot of Peggle and then properly decide where to shoot, right? I think that's the real question here. It's not just, oh, this is a game of Peggle. It's, can the AI make a smart decision about where to shoot? Prediction. Does this work first try, yes or no? Go.
Hey Doug, I have never coded in Python before, but I took the chatter's oath, so I must spam wrong solutions to problems into chat. I don't
It's
have a
so
choice.
unhelpful when people just say wrong solutions about coding that sound feasible. It's
This
so
is the
incredibly
only coding
unhelpful.
stream on Twitch where chat will scream if you wrote 3 lines of code.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey Doug, I know thousands of people watching right
Ah! Hello
What the
there!
fuck?
It's Bjorn, the friendly guide from Peggle, here to respond to your query. As you know, I am a magical creature, and I do love recognizing the magic in ordinary things.
I will drop an awesome
I'm killing it.
mixtape bad-mouthing you, and you...
Hi dog.
What?
My work computer is defective. I scalded my hand, and Git tried to ruin my code. How is your day going?
A little better than that, I would say. Wait, why did he pop up? I wasn't even running the
Please have
code.
bot see our chat messages, so it can flourish in our wisdom.
See what? You want? Okay. Later, what we can do is step 6. Bjorn reads Twitch chat and responds to your messages. Okay, we can add that in later. That, or wait, no, because that's step 5. So we'll add that in after all the other shit. First, we have to have it recognize Peggle. That's the most important thing by far. Okay, we have a prediction going. Let's put on the appropriate music. Okay. We have the code running. I'm going to press F4. It just saved the screenshot. Perfect. Oh, crap. I'm talking to him right now. Ignore those past couple sentences. I was on the phone. Anyways, hello, Bjorn. I have just given you a screenshot of the game Peggle. Could you please analyze the state of the board and what you would recommend in terms of my next shot? Now, ChatGPT analyzes the image. This is the question. Does OpenAI's new image model do a good job of analyzing a game of Peggle?
Greetings, Peggle student. As you embark upon this noble quest, you are granted the sight of Bjorn, master of the Peggle Institute.
Love it.
Assessing the board before you, I note there are but 3 purple bonus pegs clustered near each other.
What?
A
There's-
tantalizing trio
there's
of
one.
opportunities. Aiming for these
Why?
would provide
Hello
a
again,
bountiful
my
boost
friend.
to your score.
An image
Placing
of
a
our
precise
joyous
Why?
battlefield
to hit
Peggle,
the
is it?
top
Huh?
Unfortunately,
peg with
Bjorn
a subtle
here
angle
can't quite
will not
What
only
is
grant
going
you
on?
points,
My skills are
but
limited
may
to
result
text for now,
in a
but
fortuitous
worry
cascade
not.
of
I
Why
can
is he
still provide
talking?
you with
The
general
orange
advice
pegs.
without
Remember,
No,
the
hold on.
orange pegs are the
Hold on.
first
No,
thing to
hold
go
on.
to
I think it's
extreme
working.
likelihood
with
of
your
being
super
able to
guide
hit
package
that
Shit.
for 3 turns.
Why is there 2 of
You
them?
have a divine
Significantly
advantage
more
to angle your
Ah.
shots just right.
Aim
Use
for
the
the orange
precision of the
one.
super guide to bounce off the purple peg and into the cluster of orange pegs.
Are there 2 running?
Maximizing
my
the
magic
potential for
power.
a high score and clearing vital
It is
targets
also valuable to
alongside.
consider the
Do
placement of
hit
your
the
the magic.
Wait,
of
they're
the
talking for
Peggle.
so
Once
long.
you've used your current super guide ability, be sure to angle a shot to harness its mystical properties.
Wait, is my code running it twice?
Stick with the plan. Aim for the purple. Let the ball dance through the orange, and may the fever be ever in your favor. Shall your aim be true?
Lastly, remember to be patient. Peggle is as much about strategy as it is about luck. Sometimes the best thing you can do is to take a deep breath, trust in yourself, and shoot. Hope that helps, dear player. Now charge onwards for a game full of zest and zen in Peggle. Onwards and upwards.
Sorry, believers. I don't know what just happened. I feel like it's just running twice or something. I must have another version of it running somewhere? I mean, it shouldn't now. I don't know what that was. Clearly that worked. He gave twice the advice. Yeah, just do an exclamation mark refund. Let's see what the VOD chat thinks about this. There isn't enough hate in Bjorn. No, we'll get there later. Don't worry. This is a very simple Bjorn character at the moment. Oh, great. Internet died. Are we back? Are we good now? Seems like it's back, maybe? Yeah. We're good, right? Just do exclamation mark refund if you feel like you're not getting the value out of the stream.
One final thing, I was curious about how much Gerald Ford planned to spend the US defense budget on the B program.
Okay, it's just a quick lag.
38.8% of the DoD 2023 budget, $842 billion, is about 326 spit. Doug, this is a $200 citation for mentioning war in public. You've been warned. I'll see you in court.
I don't even know what vor means. I've never looked it up. So there's potentially some really awkward conversations that I'll have had in retrospect.
Hey Doug, I just wanted to ask if you've seen Super Advanced SMM2 troll
Don't
levels,
look it up.
not
Okay, I
Little
won't.
Timmy, and if you have, do you like them?
I think
Hey
I
Doug,
answered that earlier, but I don't know.
for
I haven't really
playing
played
the
them.
music of my people. Would suggest playing it more for intense situations like this more often.
I just don't feel like coding requires Doom music that frequently. Okay.
5-hour coding adventure. Yeah.
The alerts seem to be pretty far behind, by the way. All right, I think my code is working. It was maybe just running twice?
Where do you get the blank project? Is that just your OpenEye module?
Yeah.
Or are there other parts to it? I'm slowly learning Python and want to mess with OpenEye.
It's basically a copy of my Baba Gaboosh project. If you go to GitHub and Doug GitHub, the Baba Gaboosh app, it's basically a copy of this. Okay. Let's try this again. Oh, did it go down? Shit. Boy, my internet has not been very consistent recently. That is not great. Is it full on dead? I'm not seeing it drop to like 0 bitrate. It doesn't seem like the internet's dying. It's just iffy, right? It's not even raining. What's your excuse? My bad. My bad. Turn the stream resolution down. Yeah, if you guys... Here. That'd be good for a coding adventure.